Hello everyone. Today I am preparing some ribeye steaks, and I'm gonna smother them in some good old onions and some shiitake mushrooms. So without any further ado, let's get started. So, so I have already prepared my salad that I'm gonna have with this, and I'm gonna microwave some potatoes. So I have my potatoes ready for the microwave. I also have my steaks that I have seasoned, and I have tenderized them. And as I said, here's my onion and my shiitake mushrooms. All the seasoning that I've used, and I shall return. So I have done 2 of my steaks, and I'm getting ready to put the other 2 on. I have added some butter to my oil. That's what I like to cook mine in. I am also getting ready to prepare a banana pudding, make a banana pudding. And as you can see, this is what I'm using. And I've already added it all together. And I'm gonna mix this real well. And then I'm gonna add my packs of pudding mix. So I'm gonna call this my crumble banana pudding. Looks good. So I have added my shiitake mushrooms and my onion to my pan, and I'm gonna fry these up real good so I can make a nice gravy. And this is my steak dinner. And I'm gonna say bon appetit to you all and be blessed.